to be the area that we're working on today. We're going to start off with the bed, and then we're going to work on organizing this right here, the top of this shelf. This is going to take a while, so there's no time to waste. Let's go ahead and get started. First off, let's go ahead and change these sheets. So the sheets I'm going to be using now are just some plain gray sheets from Bear. It says bearhome.com. Honestly, I don't even remember where I got these from. But we're going to go ahead, change the sheets, and then we'll go on with our next step. Alright, the sheets are now on, so now we're going to move on to the bedding. This bedding is a set that I did get from Belk. It kind of is a little bit more cream than I wanted. I wanted a white comforter, but this one said ivory, but it's coming out a little bit more cream, so we're just going to have to work with that. One tip I do have for you on bedding is size up. If you like for your bedding just to hang down the side, that's fine. I like to have my bedding tucked in, and I find that sizing up allows me to do that a little bit more comfortably. It also, as you can see, this is a twin bed, so sizing up means the difference in getting one pillow sham and two. So although this is a twin, this bedding set is going to be for a full/queen. So let's go ahead and get this on.
Midnight, wasted, friends all around, faded, like we've got nothing to lose. Strangers in my sheets, wake up, rewind and repeat, but I'm still caught up on you.
One final touch on the bed is going to be this throw pillow. This one is a faux fur snow leopard, and this one also came from Belk. I will try and put any of the links for these in the description if I'm able to find them. But this one's going to go right in the middle. Alright, so now that we have the bed done, we're going to move over to this shelf right here. We're going to take everything off, then we're going to get to organizing and redecorating that. So let's go ahead and pan that way and we'll get started. We are now here at this little kind of desk area. This is way too cluttered. There's too much going on here. It's distracting. It's closing in on me. So let's go ahead and start by getting this totally clean, and it's going to be just this quick. Alright, all that is gone. So we're going to start with our next step, which is going to be kind of our centerpiece. And it is going to be this organizer kind of / desktop that I got from Amazon. Say it fits nicely. Now again, this one isn't intentionally for this purpose. This is intentionally for a computer desk, and you would put your monitor on top of this, but we're improvising and we're going to put this to a different use. First of all, we're going to need to put the hardware on, so let's go ahead and do that. We just have some simple little knobs here with little screws, and that's going to allow us to attach these.
Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought, and I've got to know. Baby, do you ever think of when we were together?
Alright, now that the hardware is on there, let's go ahead and put the remotes in the drawers. That's mainly what I want to get in the drawers, so let's go with that next. You can see right now I just kind of have them in this glass container here. While it works, it's just not quite functional. It's still cluttered and looks messy. So we're going to go ahead and put the remotes in the drawers, that way you can't see them anymore.
On the 4th of July, underneath the fireworks sky.
Done. Now you can't see any of those remotes just laying around. Now I want to get these headphones also in the drawers, again, so you don't see them. If you can't see something, it doesn't look as messy. Even if it's as messy inside that drawer, we can't see it.
And I said, everything is perfect 'cause you're holding me.
I'm also going to go ahead and put in there some nail care items. I have files and all that, but nobody wants to see that, so let's go ahead and put those in the drawer as well. Alright, before we get to decorating, our next step is going to be switching out this power strip. Right now the power strip I have is short. There are a lot of plugs, but the cord's not going to reach up here. So this one I did get from Target. It is 10 feet with only 3 outlets, but that's okay. That's all I really need. So let's go ahead and get this one swapped out. You're not really going to see this one because I'm going to try and put the power strip behind this shelf. Power strip is connected. Although I do have an outlet down here on this wall, this power strip has the 3-prong, which I already have something plugged into that, so I had to go to a different one. So you are going to see this cord here a little bit. Not the best, but it's what we have to work with right now. Let's start organizing and decorating around this now. And for that, I've got a few more things I want to share with you that I just got. I didn't end up keeping this little rose lamp on this shelf. I did decide to move it once I got everything on the shelf. It just kind of didn't match the flow. It didn't really go with the look of everything, and it was kind of cluttered. Did end up moving this one to a different area, but it's okay. I still have it, just not on this shelf. Alright, this is going to be our next piece. This little clay lamp I got from Target. It is so cute, guys. The first one I have to tell you I ordered, they put no packaging in and it was shattered, so I had to take it back. Thankfully they did have this in store. I don't have a light bulb for it yet, so we won't be able to see how that one actually looks lit up, but it's quite cute and it's going to go great with our next piece. So I changed things up a little bit. I took the rose one down, that way I can put this vase with some palm leaves. The vase did come from Amazon and the palm leaves came from Target. Just be aware, if the leaves are something you're wanting, know that they are going to come on a very long stem. I don't have any wire cutters, but they were easy to bend, so I just bent them, and the stem is down here in the vase that you can't see. So I'm going to go ahead and put that up here with the lamp. I know you can't see it right now, but when we pan out in a minute, you'll be able to see everything. Again, I still need to be able to charge some things, so they are going to go here. That's mainly going to be my iPad and my phone. Can't put my cell phone here right now because that is what I'm recording with, but just know that this is going to kind of be the little charging docking station for that. That's where all the cords will be. So this is what this is looking like now. The bed is nicely made. Now I know, guys, that the 2 colors here are not matching. I have to get a new bed skirt, but that'll happen in time. But I think this over here looks great. It's so much cleaner, it's so much more organized, it's not an eyesore, it's pleasant to look at. I'm happy so far. Now what I need to do is change out the rug that I have on the floor right here. No, I'm not going to show that to you because there's a lot of dog hair in it. It's not pleasant to look at, but I'll show you once I have the new carpet down. Not the new carpet, the new rug. Alright guys, so this is what this is looking like now. It's gonna be a minute for me to get the rug down because that thing smells. I don't know if it's like plastic smell or what, but that one's gonna need to air out before I can put it down. So for right now, this is the finished product. It's a little bit brighter, a little bit cleaner looking. So overall, I like it. Again, as soon as I can get that rug down, I'll share that with you. I think what I'm going to do is share the rug with you in the next video, where I'm actually going to be sitting there organizing some jewelry. Thank you all for joining me for this video today. This is a little bit of a different kind of video, but I want to bring new, fresh ideas. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.